Welcome to Finder Facts, where we answer your most burning questions. Today's topic, what should you pack in your coronavirus travel kits? States across the country are beginning to reopen in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic, just in time for summer. Even though airlines continue to slash flight schedules and businesses face strict government regulations, Americans are anxious to rejoin the outside world, which may include a bit of traveling. If you're planning to take a trip over the next few months, there are a few things you should pack to stay safe and help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Joining me is Mike Rayom, Finder's travel expert. Mike, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thanks for having me.
So Mike, what should anyone who's traveling this summer be packing in their suitcase to protect themselves from the virus?
So there's a few things you should include in your travel kit as recommended by the CDC. The most important thing you should have on hand is a face mask or cover. You can get these online and in stores. The best type of mask you can get is either an N95 or KN95 mask. These protect you against at least 95% of particles and droplets that spread the coronavirus. However, these types of masks sell out very quickly, so your other options include disposable surgical masks and cloth masks. They're not quite as effective as an N95 or KN95, but they still greatly reduce your risk of catching the virus or transmitting it to others. The next thing you should have is hand sanitizer. Check to make sure it contains at least 60% alcohol so it's effective against germs. While the CDC still recommends washing your hands with soap and water as the best way to kill bacteria and germs, hand sanitizer is a good second choice when you're on the go. Pack a travel-sized box of tissues to have whenever you need to cough or sneeze to reduce the spread of germs. And antibacterial spray or wipes are handy if you need to wipe down surfaces that the virus can live on, like tabletops, doorknobs, and seatbelts. Also, bring a reusable straw for drinking. You can get one made from lots of different materials such as silicone, stainless steel, or bamboo. And finally, pack a spare pair of underwear in your carry-on in case you get delayed and end up on the road or in the skies longer than you expected.
What other precautions should travelers take to reduce the risk of getting the coronavirus?
Well, for starters, you should check the CDC website for the latest information on travel advisories and restrictions on traveling abroad. You should avoid drinking from cans and other unsealed containers, and stay away from any raw fruits or vegetables that you didn't wash and peel yourself. Definitely make sure you see your doctor at least a month before your travel and give them information on where you're going, when you're leaving, how long your trip is, and what types of activities you'll be doing. Follow the advice your doctor gives you on any vaccines or medications you need to take beforehand.
When should you cancel your vacation plans?
You should immediately cancel any plans if you show symptoms of the coronavirus or another illness. Beyond that, if your vacation is months away and you have no immediate need to cancel, wait it out. The situation with travel and the coronavirus is continually changing. Pay close attention to both US and international travel alerts, and be sure to familiarize yourself with your travel provider's change and cancellation policies. Many are quite flexible given the current environment. If you do have plans to travel to countries that have restrictions in place, consider postponing your vacation instead of outright canceling it. That way, you can perhaps negotiate better deals on rebooking plane tickets and hotel reservations in the future. If you already purchased travel insurance, double check what it covers to see if you can be reimbursed for any losses from canceling your trip.
Good stuff, Mike. Thanks for joining us for Finder Facts today. Have more questions? Check out our guide to coronavirus travel kits in the description box below. And you can find even more travel tips and vacation guides at finder.com. Have a safe summer and happy traveling.